Nafaqatu Hajj Sabi. Okay, this child is going to do the Hajj. Okay, who's going to spend on it? Me or the child? So, Nafaqatu Hajj Sabi فيما يزيد على نفقة الحضر على الولي لا على الصبي. So let's say if somebody was living in Mecca, okay, and he would do Hajj. So the expenses are less. Let's say he was going to do in $500. Someone coming from Europe or United States, some of these distant lands, it might cost them $5,000. He says that nafaqatu hajj as-sabi فيما يزيد على نفقة الحضر على الولي لا على الصبي. So the obligatory part is as if someone was going to do Hajj from inside Makkah. He lives in Makkah, okay? He enters the state of Ihram and goes Arafat. So this is called somebody doing Hajj locally. Or they go for Umrah, they go outside and they do the Umrah and they come back. So this is someone who's staying there. For someone who's coming from outside of Makkah, it costs more. So what does this ruling say? He says whatever expenses of Hajj of the child above the local Hajj is upon the guardian. The guardian cannot use the child's money in the Hajj. Why? Because if you really want him to Hajj, let somebody do the Hajj there in Makkah. Send them $500 and your son will be having a good genuine Hajj from a Meccan guy. Obviously follow Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam due to the rules of Ahlul Bayt. نعم إذا كان حفظ الصبي متوقفا على السفر به أو كان السفر مصلحة له كانت نفقة أصل السفر في ماله لا نفقة الحج به لو كانت زائدة عليه. Sayyidi Sistani continues this mas'ala. However, if the child is going to go Hajj and these traveling costs are required to secure his safety or whatever is in his benefit. So let's say if the Hajj was for the benefit of child and you had to bring the child from far away distant land for his maslahah or her maslahah, for the child maslahah, and they have not reached the age of adolescence. So everything is going to be from the wealth of the child and not the guardian. كانت نفقة الأصل في ماله. The entire money of Hajj will be from his wealth. لا نفقة الحج به. Not only the amount of performing the Hajj with him. No, the entire thing. So what about his ticket? Yeah, the child will pay. When? If child cannot travel without this guardian, or the traveling can be done without the guardian, but the existence of the guardian is maslahah. If there is a benefit, it's needed. So considering that need, the entire wealth is going to be taken out from the wealth of the child.